Hi guys, wait, please. Where are you guys from? Nice to meet you.
Czech Republic.
Oh, okay, that's nice. I'm from Indonesia, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah. What are you doing here, guys? Do you have any activity on OmeTV?
No, we just boring.
Oh, I think this time for me. I think
Yeah.
this pleasure to meet you guys because I wanted to sing a song for every stranger that I met on here. If you guys
Okay.
want to hear I'm singing, would you like to
So-
hear?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. I was looking out a window, watching all the cars go, wondering if I'll see Chicago, feeling blue and alone. I wonder if you'll ever hear this song on your stereo. I hope you got your ballroom floor, your perfect house with rose red doors. That's the last thing I remember. It's been a long, lonely December. Yeah.
You think great.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello. Can you speak English, guys?
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Natalie and Tiana.
Natalia and Tiana. Okay, that's such a beautiful name. I like that.
Oh, thank you.
My name is Gatot.
Nice.
You like that name?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, how old are you guys?
16. Me too.
Okay.
And
Nice.
2.
I'm 17.
Nice.
17. Yeah. Do you like a guy that can sing a song for you?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Can you sing a song for us?
Of course. Okay. I'm gonna sing you. It's kinda old song. Maybe you don't know this song, but I promise you're gonna like this song.
Okay.
So I'll start a revolution from my bed. Step outside, the summertime's in bloom. Take that look from off your face. You ain't never gonna burn my heart out. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
thank you so much. Yeah, that's a
You have
song
beautiful
from
voice.
Oasis. Over, I put you.
No, you sing really good.
Thank you so much, but I didn't finish my singing. I'm sorry.
Oh, well, you can finish.
Yeah, you wanna hear I'm singing?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Okay. So I sing the song that I was singing, or pick a new song.
You can choose. Just
Okay,
sing
I'm
whatever.
gonna pick a new song. Okay, maybe this song gonna connect with my voice. Okay, that's right. I'm sorry guys if I waste your time. You've got a hold of me, don't even know your power. I stand 100 feet, but I fall when I'm around you. Show me an open door, then you go and slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me. I'm taking it easy on my heart, even though you don't mean to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Can I continue? I drive through the night just to be near you, baby. I both can testify it. Tell me that I'm not crazy. I'm not asking for life, just that you're honest with me. My pride is all I got. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me. And take it easy on my heart, even though you don't mean to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Mercy.
Wow, that was really good.
Thank
You
so
have.
much. Yeah, honestly, guys, I'm here just trying to searching people that want to hear I'm singing, and I also trying my best to promote my song that I have on Spotify. That's why I'm doing that to you guys. I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time just to listening I'm singing.
No, but you sing really, really, really good. Like, really. I could never.
Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, if you guys want to know me and want to support me, you can listen to my song on Spotify. I don't know you like my song or not, but I hope you like it. The song are about long distance relationship.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Bye. You
Okay,
sing
see
really
you.
good.
Thank you so much. See you again, guys. Wish you all the best. Intip. Halo, Kak. Halo.
Coba mainin lagu.
Ya,
Keren.
keren.
Coba mainin.
Ya, tapi aku belum nyanyi, udah dibilang keren aja. Belum nyanyi aku, Kak. Kenalan dulu dong baru nyanyi. Mau kakaknya siapa?
Anak.
Ana. Minum lagi deh. Masih kecegukan tuh.
Nggak santai. Lanjut.
Oke.
Lanjut.
Nama aku Vian ya. Yaudah, aku nyanyi lagu bahasa Inggris nggak apa-apa. Tapi kayaknya Kak Ana tahu deh lagunya nih. Lagunya viral di TikTok soalnya.
Nggak punya TikTok.
Nggak buka TikTok.
Nggak punya TikTok.
Nggak kayak mainin TikTok nggak pernah gitu.
Nggak.
Ya, padahal bagus nih lagunya loh, serius. Kayaknya mau batuk lagi deh, minum dulu deh. Nahan banget tuh batuknya tuh kan. Bener, tuh kan. Udah kok keluarkan, lepaskan semua. Udah ya, oke.
Udah.
Oke. On a whole of life, through the big top 10 of fine, here before and after me, shining down on me. Moon, tell me if I could send out my heart to you, so when I die, what I must do, could it shine down here with you? 'Cause my love is mine, oh mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love is mine, oh mine, oh mine. nggak lagunya Kak?
Kayaknya tahu, tapi nggak terlalu bang. Tahu.
Kalau lagu Indo yang Kakak lagi suka apa?
Tak segampang itu.
Tak segampang itu. Aku tahu sih tapi
Berapa
dikit
aku
doang.
nyanyi sama? Tapi aku nggak bisa nyanyi. Tak segampang itu menari penggantimu.
Emang kenapa kok suka lagu itu? Emang habis putus gitu ya kemarin gitu?
Aduh,
Terus
nggak.
ngerasa.
Lagunya cakep.
Hah?
Lagunya cakep.
Ah,
Tak
lagunya.
segampang itu mencari penggantimu.
Yang ini bukan sih yang ini nggak sih? Tuhan masih pantaskah ku untuk bersamanya, karena hati ini menginginkannya. Tak segampang itu ku mencari penggantimu. Tak segampang itu ku menemukan sosok seperti dirimu. Cinta, kau tahu betapa besar cinta ku tanamkan padamu. Mengapa kau memilih untuk selingkuh? Yang itu nggak sih
Keren.
lagunya?
Keren.
Thank you kan. Karena lagi nyoba ngantukin diri ya, makanya main Ome ya.
Tidur sebenarnya gue buat makeup.
Sekarang ngantuk nggak abis dinyanyiin?
Coba ngantuk.
Wah, habis ini pasti bakal mimpi indah sih. Habis aku nyanyiin, yakin aku.
Oh my god. I hope so.
You hope so, oke. Ada rasa-rasa baper dikit nggak sih aku nyanyiin gitu Kak?
Boleh lah.
Boleh ya. Ada ya berarti ya, ada baper dikit ya. Berarti baper nih.
Keren lah. Siapa nggak baper coba?
Iya benar juga sih. Iya benar juga. Bapernya karena lagunya mungkin kan, atau karena suaraku gitu. Bukan karena orangnya.
Bagus.
Ya.
Paket komplit. Mantap banget.
Wih, paket komplit dong, aku dibilangin paket komplit. Kak Anu umurnya berapa kalau boleh tahu?
Masih muda sih muka gue itu.
Berapa?
22.
Ya seumuran. Seriusan Do, seumuran.
Tua banget.
Aku 22. Aku bulan 5. Kak Anu umur bulan berapa?
Bulan 3.
Tuan Kak Ana. Berarti benar udah aku manggil Kak Ana.
Aku ngantuk banget. Aku buka softland.
Ya kayaknya tidur aja udah Kak Ana, jangan main OmeTV lagi. Tapi sebelum itu boleh mutualan gak sih, ada Instagram gak sih Kak Ana?
Boleh.
Ya aku cuma ini aja sih, nge-follow gitu.
Ana_Barbera.
Diketik dong.
Oh,
Kalau
diketik.
disebutin kayak
Mana
ribet
sih
gitu.
caranya?
Ya situ. Ana.
Yang kanan ini ya. Open.
Iya.
Ana_Barbera. Dah.
Oke, bentar ya. Ntar aku follow ya Kak Ana. Thank you udah dengerin aku nyanyi. Ya dah.
Setelah aja. Dadah.
Selamat tidur.
Selamat, thank you. Papa.
Bye bye. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Where you guys from? Sweden. Okay, I'm from Indonesia, guys. I just want to sing a song for Stranger Over Here. Would you like to hear I'm singing?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know why they always laughing at me when I singing. I don't know why.
We're not gonna laugh.
Okay, thank you for your appreciation. Okay. And now I'm the bad guy that I've hated in all of my songs. I went from the victim to villain. I hated myself all alone. No matter what I do, I'm a fool. I keep running to you when it's wrong. 'Cause I can't even make up my mind. I can't, you shouldn't know it was you, but I'm dumb. So how could I love you when I don't love myself? And how could you trust me if I don't trust myself? 'Cause I'm broken in pieces and no matter how I try, I tend to fall. I always fall. Can I continue, guys? Can I continue? Secret, I can't keep up. So I'm honest, but it's wrong. I'm digging my hole, I'm in too deep. I'm all in a mess, my mental's weak. I told myself I've had enough of all these heartbreak songs, but then I went and did the same thing. They did me wrong. Oh no, I still don't know. Oh, I went and did this all. So how could I love you when I don't love myself? And how could you trust me if I don't trust myself? 'Cause I'm broken in pieces and no matter how I try, I tend to fall.
You're really good. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
I thought you were joking, but then when I heard your voice, I was like, oh.
Yeah, I recommended you to listen to that song, guys. Actually, that's a really, really beautiful song from Ali Wilson. But that's not the song not viral. But I wish that song gonna viral. Yeah.
You were so good job.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm just trying to make you happy, guys, and also maybe if I can do this, like promote my song to you guys that I have on Spotify. And if you wanna know this, it's up to you if you guys wanna listen or not. I just wanna share my art to people that I met.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm thankful for you guys for appreciating me.
Thank you. You were
Thank you.
really good.
Okay, see you. Wish you all the best. Good night.
You too.
Hello, Selena Gomez. Please don't skip me.
Selena Gomez?
Yeah, you look Selena Gomez, really.
No.
I swear, you pretty. Than her.
Tack.
So, can I sing you a song, Your Highness?
Yes.
Are you not gonna skip me while I'm singing?
No.
Okay, promise.
Yes.
Okay, promise. Alright, thank you. I don't know, I'm trying to promote my song to people that I met, and that's why I'm singing to people. Okay, I'm gonna sing James Arthur song. You walk into the room and now my heart been stalling. You took me back in time to when I was unbroken. Yeah, now you're all I want, and I know it from the very first moment. 'Cause I like him on when I heard that song, and I want you to sing it again. Can I be held? I swear that every word you sing, you wrote that for me, like it was a show me when the lights come on and I'm on my own. Will you be there to sing it again? Could I be the one you talk about and all your stories? Can I be the one? Can I be the one? Can I be the one? Oh, can I be him? Can I be him? Yeah.
Wow! That was insane.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Bro, that was so good.
I'm just trying my best. I don't know why
I'm
people
so shocked.
skipping me.
I'm so shocked.
Even I'm trying to make them happy, and yeah, maybe I get the feedback like I need to promote my original song that I have on Spotify. Maybe.
Is that your song?
No, it's from James Arthur's song "Can I Be Him," but I wanted to sing my original song. If you want to hear too.
Yeah, sure.
You sure?
It was so good. Yes.
You want to hear again?
Yeah.
I'm afraid
You are
that
so good.
I'm gonna wasting your time. Is it fine if I sing
No.
again?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I'm gonna sing my original song to you because today this is my first time to sing my original song to stranger. You're the first person that listening my original song for today, really.
Okay.
Okay,
That's good.
I call this
That's
song is Distance, and it's about long distance relationship. Hope you like this.
Okay.
Every night I hold my phone in my bed and calling you late at night, talk about meeting. I pretend to hold back the feeling that I miss you, 'cause I just realized that we are not together, and I wish you don't replace me with another. 'Cause I'm afraid that if I one day will losing you, I'm begging you, don't change your mind. I'm begging you, please stay. So baby, I need you to hold on. I'm still trying to be on your side, baby. And baby, you have to believe me that I can be on your side, baby. Yeah, I know that you can. Trust me that I can. We don't wear distance. Whoa, I'm begging you, baby, please stay. So baby, I need you to hold on. I'm still trying to be on your side, baby. Yeah.
Bro, you're so good. What the fuck?
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's the song that I wrote by myself 100%.